Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to discuss this non-overlapping intervals problem under merge interval tags. So I have already solved two problems, merge intervals and insert intervals. Today is the non-overlapping intervals problem we are going to discuss. So let's jump into this problem. So we are given a collection of intervals. Find the minimum number of. One thing to note, like we have to remove the minimum number of intervals so that rest of intervals are non-overlapping. Okay, so we are given a list of, or let's say array of intervals, and we are supposed to remove some intersecting intervals such that the remaining intervals are disjoint. Okay, so let's check if any other conditions are given. So you may assume that the interval's end point is always bigger than its starting point. Okay, that's fine. Intervals like 1, 2 and 2, 3 have the border touching, but they don't overlap each other. Okay. So like in first example, 1, 2, 2, 3, these are not overlapping. 3, 4 is not overlapping, and 1, 3 is overlapping. So 1, 3 is overlapping with like 1, 2 and 2, 3. So we need to remove minimum number of. So either we can remove 1, 2, 2, 3 or 1, 3. But if you remove 1, 2 and 2, 3, that is not the minimum, but 1, 3 is minimum. So if we remove 1, 3, then it is minimum. Minimum we need to remove one intervals, and our remaining intervals are non-overlapping. So here is a like one point we can infer from here. If two intervals are overlapping, we want to remove intervals that has longer endpoint. Okay, the longer interval will always overlap with the more intervals compared to the smaller interval. So if there is any like overlapping, then we should remove the longer one. Okay, for getting the minimum number of intervals to be removed. So how we are going to approach this problem? So we can approach this problem like either way, like first we sort all the intervals and then try to check if it intersect or not. Okay, if it intersect, then it needs to be removed. Okay, and in this way you can count, or you can count like the number of intervals that are independent, okay, that are not intersecting with anyone, and then you can simply minus them from the total intervals. Okay, so I am going to implement the later approach. So first we'll sort it. So let's make it comparator. Int star comparator a comma b. I am going to sort it based on the endpoint minus b1 in ascending order and arrays dot sort intervals comparator. We have to handle the null case as well. If intervals equal to null, or intervals dot length equal to 0, we'll simply return 0. Now what we are going to do, like count equal to 1. First we count non overlapping intervals. Okay, and let's say int last equal to intervals I comma 1, 0 comma 1, 0 comma 1, and let's take an variable I that is currently pointing to the second interval. So while I is less than intervals dot length, we'll check if intervals I comma 0 is greater than or equal to last, then we know that it is not intersecting. Okay, and last equal to intervals I comma 1. Okay, and we can make it I plus plus. So in the end we can return like intervals dot length minus count. Okay, so let's run this. So it is running perfectly fine. Let's try to check on this case. So yeah, it is running. Let's try to run on this case. So it is running. See, this is the one way to implement this. First, we have what we have done here. First, we have counted the non-overlapping intervals actually. So we have the total number of intervals and we have counted the non-overlapping intervals, and then we simply subtracted it. Okay, so in this way we can get the non-overlapping like minimum number of intervals that needs to be removed actually. So this is the one way to solve this problem. Let's submit it. Yeah, it is accepted. So this is the one approach to solve this problem. So this is the one way to solve this problem. Another way is like uh, if any interval intersects, then we check like if it is if there is any interval that is completely within the previously considered interval. If this is the case, then I have already discussed like if two intervals overlapping, then we want to remove the intervals that has longer endpoint. The longer interval always overlaps with the more intervals compared to the shorter intervals. Okay, so we'll implement based on this. So let's remove it, and let's say we have int first equal to intervals I comma 0. Let's make variable previous, and that is currently pointing to 0, int I equal to 0. Okay, I equal to 1. So what we'll do, we iterate over the intervals array. Let's take a variable answer and count. Let's say it is 0. So here we'll check like I have, yeah, here we check if it is intersecting with the previously encountered interval. So we'll check that if intervals previous dot 1 is greater than intervals I comma 0 starting of the next interval. We'll check like here we are checking like the current interval that we are considering is in intersection with the previous interval or not. So if it is in the intersection with the previous interval, so we'll check like if it is completely overlapped or not. We'll check if uh, intervals previous comma 1 is also greater than intervals is also greater than the intervals end I comma 1. So if that is the case, then I have already said that we need to remove the larger one actually. So we have removed the this interval and will set our previous variable equal to this I. Okay, and this is the case where intersection happens. So we'll need to increment our count as well. Okay, if that is not the case, then we can make our previous equal to just I, and in the end we return. Why it is doing this? Count. So let's run this program. Why it is giving me error if intervals? Okay, here it is. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, I have forgot to increment that I actually. Okay, sorry. I plus plus. Yeah, so it is running. Let's check on another input. Let's run this. Let's submit it. So yeah, it is accepted as well. So hope you have enjoyed this video and understood the concept. So for more videos like that, do subscribe my channel. I will publish shortly the rest of the problems that are under this merge interval list. The next problem is minimum number of arrows to burst balloon and toss scheduler and interval list intersection. So for more videos like that, do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.